All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about how to use a Tesla supercharger. First, make sure your Tesla is compatible with superchargers. If it's a Model S, 3X, or Y, you're all set. Supercharging access comes pre-installed in most Teslas. Step 1. Find a supercharger station. Open your Tesla's touchscreen, tap on the charging icon, and the map will display nearby supercharger locations. Pick one and the navigation will guide you there. Step 2. Plug in your Tesla. When you arrive, back into the supercharger stall and grab the charger handle. The Tesla connector is designed for a perfect fit. Just plug it into your car's charging port. The LED ring will flash green when charging starts. Step 3. Monitor your charge. Your Tesla's screen will show the charging rate and estimated time to completion. You can also monitor this via the Tesla app. Typically, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to get a significant charge boost, depending on how low your battery is. Step 4. Unplug and go. Once your charge is complete, unplug the charger and you're good to hit the road. Payment is automatic, charged directly to your Tesla account. And there you have it. Supercharging is fast, easy, and perfect for long trips. Don't forget to unplug when you're done so the next Tesla owner can get their turn. And check out the link in the description for tips on making your Tesla experience even better.